Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Marcus and today in this tutorial I will share with you how to design this poster in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go. First thing, let's set up our document. We are going to use a 1700 by 2400 pixels in RGB mode and just press create. Next, please select the type tool and click on a artboard to activate it. Scale it up and write your word of choice. I'm going to use yes. Then let's go to the character menu and choose a nice font. I'm going to use Helvetica New in medium and scale it up. Then right click and create outlines and change the color to a cool light gray. After that, let's select all letters and holding the Alt key in Windows or the Option key on Mac, let's drag our text down to make a couple of copies. Excellent. Let's select them all, right click and group them all together. Now let's go to the top menu, select Effects, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, Extrude and Bevel Classic. Now in position, let's select the front, then change the vertical and horizontal rotations to 45 and minus 45 degrees. And on the perspective, let's make it 45 degrees as well. On the extrude and bevel settings, let's increase the depth to 100 and change the bevel to classic. Perfect. Now let's press OK. Now let's select our 3D ladder, go to Object and choose to expand appearance. Select our 3D ladder again and let's right click and select ungroup. Do this twice so it is 100% ungrouped. And now let's add some color. Let's go to the window, swatches libraries, art history and select pop art. But before we start, let's create a new layer. Name it BG and create a background using the rectangle tool. And let's apply some nice colors to our background and to our typography design. On the letter S, we need to connect the shapes to make a smooth surface. For that, let us use the Pathfinder tool. So let's go to Window, Pathfinder and use the Unite option to glue all these pieces together. After that, let's keep adding colors to our design. And when we finish, let's add a black stroke to the overall design. Then let's select all of it, group it again and make a few copies again. Perfect, now let's change the colors of the top letters and group them all together. Scale them up and go to View and select Trim View, so we can only see what's inside of our artboard. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, remember to like and subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.